Okay, so we tried 10 viral Instagram gadgets that can clean your car, save you lakhs, or even put a fridge inside a car. And all of this to figure out if that doom scrolling is actually worth it. And we have been testing these gadgets for quite some time now. So this is Mrinal, you're already watching TechWiser, and let's go. Okay, so the first reel has some 3 lakh views. So this is a phone holder that not only charges your device wirelessly, but also has 2 extra USB ports. Okay, so we have this and it costs 3,000 rupees on Amazon. Here's the thing, most of the car model misses out on the wireless charger even in the base variant.
See here, the base variant of Hyundai Extra costs 6 lakh rupees and still doesn't have wireless charging.
And to get a wireless charger, you have to spend 10 lakh rupees onwards. Now this fits inside the cup holder of your car and just place your phone like this and it starts charging wirelessly. Just make sure it's positioned correctly, and even if you shake it, it still remains in the place. Nice. Now this supports up to 15 watt of wireless charging. It also has a USB-A and USB-C port, and both of them output 10 watt. Although it would have been better if the port supported fast charging. Also, you can't use your phone while charging, which also makes sense because if you're driving, you shouldn't. Overall, 7/10, it does the job. Recommended. Okay, so next up we have this world's strongest handheld blower. Now Instagram is flooded with reels showing how you can use it to dry your car, remove dust, or even snow. Well, we don't have snow in Delhi, but we do have this gadget. Now it has 2 buttons. If you press and hold the one at the back, it turns it on, and if you press and hold the other one, it starts the blower. And it has 3 levels: low, medium, high. And at the maximum level, it can blow out leaves, which will manually take a lot of time. Plus, it can also use to dry your car instantly when it's raining. And if you have friends who leave the car dirty, it can clean that too. Now, as per the website, the airflow is 52 meters, 80 kilometers per hour. That's quite a lot. It also packs 4000 mAh battery and charges via Type-C. Now we got this for 4,000 on Amazon, but now the price has been reduced to around 2,500 rupees. So 7/10, if you like cool gadgets, recommended. So next up we have this wireless Android Auto car adapter. Now just like wireless charging, most of the car manufacturer also misses out on wireless Android Auto. Like if we compare the Delta variant of Baleno, it comes with a wired Android Auto, but to enjoy the wireless connectivity, you need to upgrade from 7.5 lakhs of Delta variant to 8.43 lakhs of Vita variant, which is almost 1 lakh. Well, this cost only 4,500 and we got 2 for that. Pairing is super simple. Simply put this into the car USB port and then on your phone, go to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and connect to the device. That's it. Now here's the best part. This is a one-time process, so next time when you enter the car, it will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But of course, it will only work when your car has a wired Android Auto, but overall in my experience, 9/10, super recommended. Okay, so next viral gadget, we have this mini fridge for your car. Now we got this from Amazon for 6,500 rupees, and for the price, it's quite compact. Like it can easily fit 8 to 10 cans, and you can also store your medicines and cosmetics in it. You just have to plug this into your car cigarette port and turn it on. But here's a cool part, you can even toggle this switch and now you can keep your things warm. It can go as high as 67 degrees and
Can go as low as 12 to 13 degrees.
which means this cannot boil water or make ice, but it can keep cool things cooler and hot things warmer. So 9/10, recommended. Okay, so this is interesting. So suppose you are in the middle of a road and your battery dies or your tire pressure is not adequate. Well, in that case, this seems useful. So here we have it, car jump starter. No mechanic, no waiting time. So let's see how it works. Just connect the probe to the positive and negative terminal of the battery, give ignition, and boom, the car actually starts. Now this has a maximum power output of 120 watt and it can jump start up to 7 times when fully charged. And not just that, it also works as a tire inflator and it can inflate from 0 to 36 psi in just 5 minutes. Plus it also has an emergency light which comes in handy during dark nights. Now this is available for 6,000 rupees on Amazon, and for emergency purposes 10/10, this is super recommended. This next gadget is a mirror dash cam and this reel has 3 million views. Nice. Now this can be fitted directly to the rear view mirror with the straps provided in the box, and you also get this 10-inch long touch screen that doubles up as a mirror as well as a camera. It also offers this wide angle view for better visibility. Plus it comes with a waterproof rear view camera, and the best part, you can even view footage from both front and the back of your car. Not just that, you can even view videos from both of the camera at the same time. Now the picture quality on both the front and the rear are decent during the day, and it can also detect accident since it has a G sensor. However, the rear camera struggles a bit during the night and the G sensor is quite sensitive as it records even the small bumps. Now this costs 6,500 rupees on Amazon, and honestly for that price the touch is low. In fact, the UI is very generic and the camera quality is not that great, especially in low light scenario. So even though it has a lot of features, what would you do with it if it can't just read number plates? So for 6,500 rupees you can easily get a good front as well as back dash cam from Woodman or even Cubo. At that price, I will say skip it. Okay, so finally we have this portable car washer. Now it can throw water in high pressure, even quite theatrical. So let's see if it works. Now we got this for 1,800 rupees on Amazon. And unlike regular car washer, this doesn't require any power supply via cable because it runs on this 48-watt battery and you get 2 of them in the box. To use this, just dip the hose in the bucket, turn it on. You also get this foam spray bottle which lets you create some thick foam and you can clean your car much better. And while it's great for cars and bike, you can also use it at your home, in your garage or even outdoors. Now this also comes in a cool looking hard shell and it can easily fit into any car trunk just like all the other gadgets in this list. So 8x10 recommended for multiple use. Okay, so the next gadget is this car vanity mirror and it even has LED with brightness control. Interesting. Now, if you have a co-passenger who tries to do a quick touch-up before leaving the car, you know the struggles. Bad lighting, awkward angles, and a mirror so small that you can't even see your forehead. Well, this is where the TechWiser comes in, which has a large mirror in front of you. Now, it has 3 LED presets, so you can even use it in the dark, and the brightness can be adjusted by pressing this button. It charges with Type-C and lasts easily for 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. Now, this mirror costs 800 rupees, which for your passenger princess, well, 9x10 recommended. Okay, so moving on, we have this magnetic fold holder. I wonder if this actually sticks. Just bring it up, stick it to any flat surface, and then pull this lever. And it's done. Now it has MagSafe, so your iPhone will directly attach to it, or if you have an Android, you can also use this ring. And not just that, you can even pull it up like this and use it on landscape, portrait, or turn it around any way you like. Now here's my favorite thing about this gadget. It's not just limited to your car. You can take it anywhere, be your desk, your washroom, kitchen, and it will stick anywhere you want. And it's even quite sturdy. Like, look at this. Now it costs 1,500 rupees and you can find it cheaper on Amazon. So 7x10 recommended. Okay, so these were some of the viral car gadgets. Now is it just me or gadgets are everywhere? Car gadgets, home gadgets, kitchen gadgets. I mean everywhere you go on Instagram, there are gadgets. So let us know if you would like to see more such videos on gadgets. So 7,000 likes and we will do it. Menar, TechWiser, make sure you pay your taxes on time.